Welcome to Prime Neighbourhood, your go-to podcast for all things real estate in Nigeria. I'm Jennifer with a Y, and today we're going to be diving deep into the wonderful world of Nigerian real estate investing. In today's episode, I will be sharing some top tips when buying your investment property with limited finance. So for example, you're a real estate owner, right? You're a real estate investor, and you're looking for properties to invest in with your limited funds, right? To be successful in this type of real estate investing, you need to accept three basic personal philosophies. One is your attitude, your perseverance, and your flexibility. Now, let's break this down one after the other. You have to understand that this type of investing will not come easy, especially if you've had a large selection of bargain price property in a certain area. You better check it out properly, and you have to keep your mental health in check. You need to have the attitude that I'll rather wait until the right one comes along than make a mistake that could put me in deep financial trouble. No matter if you spend the whole day or week searching, you're better off continuing to look until you're comfortable with your selection rather than down the line you try to get out of one you should not have purchased to begin with. I'm going to take you to perseverance. Perseverance is the key to sound real estate investing. But do not be so hung up on the idea that, a better one will come along if I just wait, that you end up never investing at all. That is even worse than investing in the wrong property. Which brings us to flexibility. You may start your search keeping in mind that you will look at only homes that are priced under $100,000, but they have to be in a neighborhood where homes are all priced at $500,000 or above. Chances are good that you will never find one. So you have to settle for what you already have. Cut your coats according to your size. That's what I tell all my clients. Or maybe you're hung up on a home, but the only thing that is available in your price range and terms of purchase require are apartments or terraces in a maintained community. If the numbers make sense and you do your homework, it may be a good place to start your real estate investing program. Now, the questions you need to ask yourself are, what is the neighborhood like? Is it in a good neighborhood? You have to drive through the neighborhood, tour the entire area. And when I say entire area, I mean the entire area. Extend your drive several blocks or more from the home. Observe what the entire neighborhood is like. Are there signs of deterioration throughout the area? Pay attention to traffic. Schools, in case you want to sell to someone with children, shopping malls, police, fire protection, etc. What does the home look like? Is it in good condition and comparable? What is the condition of other properties in the area? Check out individual homes for signs of general neglect. If a lot of them are in poor conditions, you may want to reconsider. Ask yourself, how is the rental market for the type of property you are considering? If area vacancies are 10% or more, area-wide or city-wide, you may have to reconsider. If you're checking out units, check out if there are lots of vacancy in the building. Let me give you a little bit of tip. So the best time to check for vacancy in the building is very early hours in the morning. If you're an early bird, you should be targeting from say 2 a.m. and beyond. See how many cars are in the parking lot. If the lot is full, there is good indication that the building is also fully rented. Keep in mind that some tenants will have 2 automobiles, 2 cars, right? Usually there are assigned spaces for each tenant plus guest spaces. So use that information as you will. Another tip is, for a limited finance investment property, the problem with buying the best looking house on the market is you have no chance to upgrade and sell for a profit. Buy the worst looking house on the street and you have a good chance of upgrading it and selling it for a profit. But you have to make sure that the needed upgrading is cosmetics and not structural. And that's why you need the services of a professional to determine these things. Do not forget to take pictures so you don't forget what you saw, especially if you're looking for more than one property. But please ask for permissions before you do this, because you know this is Lagos. Analyze the current and potential market conditions. What is the economic trend? Is there a lot of vacancy, and what is the reason for them? Oversupply? Is there a market turn down? If the economy is in a down circle, this could create a lack of renters. The reason you want to take a close look at economic trends before you buy is to try and determine two things. First, is the economy in a downturning mode, or is it going up? One important thing I would like to add right now is sometimes poor economic news can cause a turn down in the economy. If a major economist tells us that the economy is going to slump, sure enough, the market plunges the next day. If, however, the economist tells us that the economic outlook is great, the economy soars the next day. Secondly, if the market is down, what is the outlook for a quick turnaround? Most times, you have an advantage in buying when the market is slow. Distressed sales are often more plentiful and prices are more negotiable. It is important, very important, to stay current on what is happening, especially in your city. Keep your ears to the ground. The next step in this process is to financially analyze the property to see under what price, terms, and condition it will make financial sense to purchase. And if you keep up with our podcast, you will definitely stay up to date with that and more interesting topic. If you're looking to purchase, invest, or sell real estate in Ikoyi or VI region in Lagos, would love to earn your business, educate you about the market, and represent your best interests. My name is Jennifer Wanakwere. Please like, engage, and share our content, and follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you.